The way Missouri voters can change the state constitution is changing.
Republican Governor Mike Kehoe signed a bill into law giving politicians more control over how to describe ballot questions and giving the Attorney General more power to appeal them after voters approve them. Our political editor, Mark Maxwell, is following the latest developments.
Yeah, in the future, the Missouri Secretary of State will now get 3 chances to write the language you would see on your ballot before the courts can intervene and write fair language. Abortion providers at Planned Parenthood, they're watching this closely to see how this new legal power granted to the Attorney General could also threaten their operation.
Just outside the front gates of the Planned Parenthood Great Rivers facility, 2 eager activists patrol the sidewalk hoping to persuade women to turn around.
They're intimidating our patients, they're intimidating our staff. No, it doesn't work. Folks come in our doors, they drive through. Sometimes there's a little bit of confusion, but it's not a successful tactic.
These 2 activists politely declined on-camera interviews. Their nonprofit director also unavailable. But a spokesperson says they make roughly $17 an hour and track their results on this digital tablet.
We do let folks know that there are protesters and to just keep driving and to come into our lot.
The group Coalition Life claims their bright uniforms, complete with body cameras, are matters of public safety to protect them from attacks. But they're also effective at flagging people down, like this woman who got confused. After they stopped her, she eventually parked around the corner and walked in.
This is exactly, part of the intent here is confusion.
Inside, President and CEO Margo Riphagen is focused on other obstacles coming from Jefferson City.
We currently cannot provide medication abortion in Missouri.
New state rules restrict Missouri clinics from giving patients an abortion pill. And under a new bill Governor Mike Kehoe just signed into law, the Attorney General has newly created powers to appeal the decision voters made last November, enshrining abortion protections into the Missouri Constitution.
It allows the Attorney General to intervene in a way that, is new, in a way that frankly is inappropriate, and in a way that goes against the will of the people of Missouri.
Bailey's deputy chief of staff tells me in an email, quote, "The Attorney General has always had the authority to appeal. The General Assembly simply expedited the timeline for which the AG could do so, addressing attempts by what he calls rogue judges to stymie the will of the people's elected representatives."